Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threat. And so a SWOT analysis is a technique for assessing these four aspects of any business. SWOT analysis is a tool that can help you analyze what your company does best now and to devise a successful strategy for the future. SWOT can also uncover areas of the business that are holding you back or your company back and or that your competitors could exploit if you don't protect yourself or your organization. A SWOT analysis examines both the internal and external factor, that is what is going on inside and outside your organization. So some of this factor will be within your control and some will not be, as they are external. In either case, the wisest action you can take in response will become clearer once you have discovered, recorded and analyzed as many factors as you can. SWOT analysis can help you challenge risky assumption and to uncover dangerous blind spot about your organization's performance. If you use it carefully and collaboratively, it can deliver new insights on where your business currently is and help you to develop exactly the right strategy for any situation. For example, you may be well aware of some of the organization's strengths, but until you record them alongside weaknesses and threats, you might not realize how unreliable those strengths actually are. Equally, you likely have reasonable concern about some of your business weaknesses, but by going through analysis systematically, you can find an opportunity previously overlooked that could be more than compensate. So this kind of analysis is required for improving any performance of the organization, including the supply chain. Thanks for watching. Bye.